In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Loom video HTML embed code. If you've recorded something in Loom and want to place it on a website, blog, or inside a learning platform, the official embed code is the cleanest, most reliable way to do that. We'll start from the Loom home screen and end with a ready-to-paste code snippet, and I'll point out the sizing options so your video looks great everywhere. First, head to loom.com and sign in. On the home page, open the library. That's where all your recordings live, including any videos shared with you. Take a second to locate the exact video you want to embed. Having clear titles makes this faster. Hover over that video and open the three dots menu, sometimes labeled More Actions. This menu holds everything you can do with the video beyond basic playback. From there, choose Share. This opens a panel dedicated to distributing your recording. If you collaborate with others, this is also where link settings live, but for our purpose, we're focusing on the Embed option. Inside the Share panel, select Embed. Loom now generates an HTML iframe snippet for this specific video. That snippet is what most site builders, CMSs, and documentation tools recognize instantly. Before copying, choose how the player should size itself. Responsive size is ideal for modern pages. It automatically adapts to the width of whatever container you drop it into, keeping the correct aspect ratio so it looks good on phones, tablets, and desktops. Pick this if you're not sure, or if your page layout needs to be flexible. If you have a strict layout, pick a fixed size instead. Fixed dimensions lock the player to a defined width and height in pixels, which can be handy for sidebars or narrow columns. Just make sure the width you select actually fits the space your page provides, so the player doesn't overflow. When your size choice is set, click Copy Embed Code. Loom places the full iframe on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you handle HTML. Typical spots include an HTML block in your website builder, a CMS editor that supports raw code, or a knowledge base article. That's all there is to it. Quick recap. Open your library, use the three dots menu, go to Share, choose Embed, decide on responsive or fixed, and copy the code. If a page later shows a blank player, double-check the video's share settings and the page's container width. Thanks